Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this are: accused in rape and murder case, Mahanand Naik's house set ablaze. Cause behind the fire still unknown. Possibility of heat wave hitting Goa. Health Department issues precautionary measures. Forest Department defends Paresh Parab. He only followed the law, says Chief Conservator of Forest Shashi Kumar. Clashes within MGP on the issue of rebuilding party. Davlikar Rao take contradictory stand on getting senior politicians back to the party. AITUC organizes huge rally on Workers' Day. Vasco boy Shadab Jakati makes Chennai Super Kings debut in IPL. Shadab's parents and family members delighted. And Bharat Petroleum beats Southern Railway to enter the final of All India Volleyball Tournament. Now the news in detail. Residence of Mahanand Naik, the prime accused in the rape and murder case, was set ablaze by some unknown people on Friday evening in Shiroda. The house has totally turned to ashes. Police are investigating the case, but the identity of the miscreants is still not confirmed.
Mahanand Naik from Tarvane, Shiroda was arrested by police under the charges of rape. Mahanand Naik further admitted of committing 2 murders in front of the police officials. He already possessed 2 residents in Tarvane, Shiroda, out of which 1 resident was set on fire by the angry miscreants. Blast of the domestic gas cylinder proved to be the major cause for increasing fire. His old premise has totally succumbed to the flames, while his new residence has been affected due to the incident. Fire personnel from Ponda, Madgaon and Verna immediately attended the call, but it was too late. The house was already turned to ashes. Fire Force Officer SP Bhagat informed about the loss incurred due to fire.
Position भयंकर मोठं झालं आम्ही कंट्रोल केलो मागीर बाकी गाडी आमी आपयल्यो पोंडा वेर्णा त्यो गाडी आपयल्यो मडगांवच्यान येयले पयलीं कॉल आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन आमकां मेळ्ळें आमी ताबडतोब येयले
कितले गाडी टोटल कितले 4 गाडी पावले
हय 4 गाडी पावले
आनी हांगा कितले घरां येयला
ती जवळ जवळ तेंगे सगळें पार्टिशन तें काय सगळें पार्टिशन तेंगे
PI Ponda Police Station, CL Patil gave more information to us on telephone.
That's what the people who enter village because he is committing the crime since he was a child. Petty theft, he has many offences. So that could be one revolt of people.
Our reporter from Shiroda, Samir Bhatt.
State is already on high alert with the possibility of heat wave hitting the state. Directorate of Health Services had come out with special guidelines to prevent people from possible effects of heat wave in the state. Health Department has launched an awareness campaign focusing on some important precautions.
These are important precautions suggested by Health Department of Goa. Drink plenty of water. Avoid tea, coffee, soda and alcohol. Wear lightweight, loose-fitting clothing in light colors. Protect yourself from sun by wearing a hat, sunglasses and using an umbrella. Some immediate first aid measures are: remove the victim from the heat and get him indoors. Have him lie down in a cool place with feet elevated about 12 inches. Loosen clothing and cool him rapidly using whatever method you can. For example, place cold compresses on the victim's neck, groin and armpits. Spray with cool water. Spray with cool water from garden hose. Immerse the victim in a tub of cool water. Place in a cool shower. If alert, give the victim cool water or beverages to sip. Or make a salt sugar drink by adding a teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt in a glass of water. Give every 15 minutes. For muscle cramps, massage affected muscles gently but firmly until they relax. If the victim condition does not improve or he shows signs of shock or is having seizures or loses consciousness, call a doctor or shift him to the nearest health facility. They have also mentioned what should not be done. Do not underestimate the seriousness of heat illness. Do not give the victim medications. They will not help and they may be harmful. Do not give the victim liquids that contain alcohol or caffeine. They will interfere with the body's ability to control its internal temperature. Do not give the victim anything by mouth if the person is vomiting or is unconscious. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Chief Conservator Officer of Forest Dr. Shashi Kumar has defended his officers in an interview given to local newspaper. He said that Forest Officer Paresh Parab and Anand Mhetri had done their duty, so there is no question of taking action against them.
When we contacted Dr. Shashi Kumar, he was not ready to comment. But while speaking to a local newspaper, he mentioned that our officer has not misbehaved with the MLA. Our officers Paresh Parab and Anand Mhetri were a part of the squad created to check illegal traffic of liquor at the time of election. Both officers did their duty and have not done anything wrong, so there is no question of taking action against them. Our officers have done their duty honestly. Taking action against such sincere officers doesn't suit in my principles. Local MLA Ramesh Tavadkar and Santosh Desai had lodged a police complaint against Parab and Mhetri, whereas Forest Officer Paresh Parab had lodged police complaint against local MLA Ramesh Tavadkar for interfering in government work.
The leaders of Maharashtravaadi Gomantak Party are seen singing two different tunes on the issue of taking advocate Ramakant Khalab back to MGP. MGP President Raut wants senior leaders to join MGP to strengthen the party, whereas lone MGP Minister Davlikar is strongly opposing this move.
Speaking to Prudent Media, MGP President Pandurang Raut said that the joining of senior leaders including Khalab will strengthen MGP. He also welcomed all the leaders who are willing to join MGP.
आता जे खलपाचा जो विषय आला तो वास्तविक खलपान मगो पक्षाकडे अप्रोच जावना किंवा मगो पक्ष डायरेक्ट त्याकडे अप्रोच जावना कार्यकर्त्याची इच्छा खलब येवचो रवी येवचो सगळे येवचे मग पक्ष पुढे वयचो पण आम्ही एकूच केलें की जे कोण येतले किंवा जे कार्यकर्तो नांवां सुचयतले ती सेंट्रल कमिटी जी आहा त्यांनी थंय विचार करून तेजेर डिसिजन घेवचें आता सध्या पोजिशन अशें आहा की खलपय अप्रोच जावना मगो पक्षय खलपाक जावना कार्यकर्त्यांमध्ये एक चैतन्य आयलां की सगळे लोक येवचे.
Transport Minister Sudhin Dhavrikar strongly opposed the move of senior leaders joining MGP. He said that MGP doesn't want leaders who have left MGP for their personal gains.
जे जुने नेते गेल्या ज्यांनी पक्षाचो घात केला आमदार असताना घात केला त्या नेत्यांची गरज ना. हांव कोणाचे व्यक्तिगत याचेर उलयना आमकां त्यांची गरज ना. आमकां नव्या युवा कार्यकर्त्यांची गरज आसा जेणे करून युवा कार्यकर्ते हो पक्ष मुखार व्हरतले आनी नवें नेतृत्व तयार करपा खातीर युवा कार्यकर्त्यांतल्यान आमकां तें जाल्लें जाय आनी त्या खातीरूच हो सगळी आमची धांवपळ आसा.
वैयक्तीक जो त्रास जाता तो साडीक जाता पूण पक्षाक फायदो जाता तेचे विचार करूंक जाय. पूण जें कितें समजा आतां आमचे मंत्री ढवळीकर यांनी विचार आपलो केला हो त्याचो विचार आहा